Hi, good day. My name is Lavern King. I'm a home health aide. I work for Sunnyside Home Care agency, and this is my healthy living story. I'm working on my health because I want to live a little longer. I want to be an example to say I beat this condition. I was having issues like I would urinate a lot, and I was always thirsty. And I said, you know what, let me go to the doctor, and that's when I was diagnosed with diabetes. I couldn't sleep at night because I was so scared of my condition, knowing that my granddad died from it and my grandmother had a diabetic coma. I have 3 children. I was worried about not being around to take care of them, and I had was to do something about it. So the first thing that helped with the Brooklyn Hospital program is changing my diet. My nutritionist is really good in navigating to what would work if I eat this and if I eat that. Diet and medication management, exercising, walking, and she checks my phone for the amount of time that I walk. She's on me every second of my life, and I love it. It's hard, but you can do it. I'm telling you, I was going to quit not caring no more because nothing that they gave me worked. But my life has changed. I'm more active. I could go shopping and walk and I get tired, and the program motivates me to go back to school. I'm getting my degree. I am feeling better. I'm smiling and laughing more because I'm finding myself.